Hello everyone, welcome to Physics with Asif. In this video, we are going to explore a very important idea in teaching using PowerPoint. Most people think PowerPoint is mainly about decoration, colors, transitions, fancy effects, and beautiful slides. But in reality, good teaching slides are not made for decoration, they are made for thinking. Especially in subjects like physics, mathematics, and science, students understand concepts better when information is revealed in a controlled and meaningful way. So in this video, we will discuss how simple animations can improve teaching, guide attention, and make learning much clearer. And the best part is, you do not need advanced software. Even simple PowerPoint animations are enough if they are used properly. So let us begin. Now look at this slide carefully. Here, everything is shown at once. The diagram is visible, the labels are visible, the laws are visible, the explanation is visible. Everything appears together immediately. And this is how many teaching slides are usually made. But the problem is, when students see everything together at the same time, their attention gets divided. Some students start reading the text first, some look at the diagram, some try to understand the angles, others read the laws on the side. So instead of following the teacher's explanation step by step, the brain starts jumping everywhere. Even though the content is correct, the presentation creates confusion. This is a very important point in teaching. Too much information at once can reduce clarity. Now look at the same concept presented differently. This time, information is revealed step by step. First, only the basic diagram is shown. The student focuses only on the mirror and rays. Then, the normal appears. Now attention shifts naturally to the new element. Next, the angles are introduced. At this stage, students are already comfortable with the diagram structure, so understanding becomes easier. Finally, labels and explanations are added. Notice the difference carefully. The content is almost the same, but the learning experience becomes much smoother. At every stage, the student is thinking about only one new idea. That creates clarity. This is called controlled attention. Now let us compare both approaches side by side. On the left side, everything appears together immediately. On the right side, information appears gradually in a sequence. Now ask yourself honestly, which one is easier to follow? Obviously, the second one, because the second method respects how the human brain processes information. The brain understands better when ideas are introduced one at a time. This is especially important in technical subjects. When students are already trying to understand a concept, we should not overload their attention with unnecessary visual pressure. Good slides reduce mental load. They do not increase it. Effective teaching requires sequencing. The teacher decides what should appear first, what should appear next, what should be delayed until students are ready. That sequence matters a lot. Now we can clearly understand why animations matter in teaching. A well-timed animation can direct focus exactly where the teacher wants, and that creates smoother understanding. So the goal of animation is not to impress students. The goal is to help them think clearly. Now let us discuss a very common mistake. Many people start using too many animation effects. Spin, bounce, zoom, flash, and many other distracting effects. But these effects usually steal attention from the lesson itself. Students start noticing the animation instead of understanding the concept. Simple fade-ins, appear effects, or basic motion are usually more than enough. So what makes a good teaching slide? The answer is simple. Focus on one idea per slide. Use clear visuals. Keep text short and meaningful. And use animations only to guide attention. That is all. Every element on a slide should have a purpose. The slide should guide attention toward what matters most. It should be designed for learners, not for decoration. When slides follow a clean and organized structure, students feel more comfortable and focused. So, let us summarize the main idea of this video. Keep your slides simple, guide attention carefully, and design for understanding, not decoration. Even basic PowerPoint animations can become powerful teaching tools when used thoughtfully. I hope this video gave you useful ideas for improving your classroom teaching, online lessons, or educational videos. Thank you for watching, and we will continue with more practical PowerPoint techniques in the next video.